Greetings dear learners, I am faculty of physics at SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. Today we will learn the remaining topics of work energy power taken from grade 11th physics. So let's start the video. So our first topic will be power. Power of a body is defined as the rate of doing work by the body. Here in this picture we can see that two boy is lifting two different masses, one 5 kg and second is 10 kg. Boy 1 is applying power P1 and boy 2 is applying a power P2. As heavier mass is lifted in the same time, so we can say that second power, that is P2, is greater than power P1. Power is a scalar quantity. It is represented by capital P. Power of a body is given by work done upon time. Its SI unit is watt. Another commonly used unit of power are kilowatt, that is kW, and horsepower. 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt. Instantaneous power is defined as the average power in a very short interval of time for a particular work done. Second topic of the discussion is collision. Collision between two bodies defined as the process of mutual interaction of the bodies for a very short interval of time, due to which energy and momentum of the interacting body get changed. Here we can see the picture, two bodies are interacting. So there are two types of collision, elastic collision and inelastic collision. In elastic collision, in which both the momentum and kinetic energy of the system remains conserved. In inelastic collision, they do not conserve, they will change after collision. So this is all about collision. Now we will find that there are another type of collision also, elastic collision in one dimension. Here we can see that the collision of two cars occurs, but they will move in the one dimension only or x-axis only. But in elastic collision of two dimension, after collision the body diverted at an angle or different angles. So here this is the example of elastic collision in two dimensions. Now as we have covered important topics related to the curriculum, now let's talk some interesting facts. As we know that James Watt was born in business family, but the engine he developed, that was steam engine, which was originally developed by Newcomen, but he developed that engine so much that everybody thought that James Watt has developed or invented the steam engine, but not Newcomen has invented that. Work is the energy transformed to form object by means of force acting of the object. Energy transferred by the object is positive work, and energy transferred from the object is negative work. That depends upon the direction where the object is attaining work or just supplying work. So there is summary what we have learned all together in 3 videos. So the summary is in front of you. Work is said to be done by applied force when the body on which the force acts suffer a displacement in a direction except perpendicular to the direction of force. If force applied in a body and the displacement occurs perpendicular to the direction of force, we will say no work is done. When work done is positive, there is increase in kinetic energy of the body. And area between Fs graph and the S axis gives the work done. Power is the agent, is the ratio of the total work done by the agent to the given interval of time. It is a scalar quantity. Now let's summarize other points also. Mechanical energy is of two types, kinetic energy and potential energy. According to work energy theorem, the work done by the force is equal to net increase in kinetic energy of the body. According to the law of conservation of energy, the sum of total energy remains constant. When two bodies physically collide against each other, or when the path they exchange their energies, then influence to each other, then collision is said to be take place. So this is all about the summary of the entire chapter we learned. So that's it. So I hope that you have learned a lot from this video or the series of videos of this chapter, work, energy and power. Now I hope this video is very fruitful for you. Now just revise and watch this video very carefully. Thank you kids, bless you, and do like, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.